Client Details, page 2. All the fields are not mandatory. However, should a policy be loaded based on an insurer's rating engine that does require this info, the user can update at a later date. Review month. Enter the number of the month in which the client's annual review would take place. Note that this is not a policy renewal date, rather a client portfolio review. PIN number. System-generated personal identification number, to be used for internet access by the client where such services are offered. Can be changed as required. ID number and birth date. Details to be entered for personal clients. The two fields are interlinked, and FlexiBroker will calculate the birth date from the ID number. Should an alternative ID be entered, for example passport number, the birth date can be entered separately. Note that if the structure of the ID number is inconsistent, FlexiBroker will display the following warning, but will take no action. Passport number. Enter passport number where applicable. Nationality, gender, marital status, and education can all be filled out accordingly. Monthly income. Enter the client's gross monthly income, required for insurers' rating engines. This is a numeric data field. Company registration number. Enter a company's registration number for record purposes and to print on the schedule if required. VAT registration number. The VAT number is the client's VAT registration number and will be printed on debit notes for this client if the user is VAT registered. Reference number. Use this field to record a client's reference number, e.g. payroll number. Previous insurers. Select from the drop-down list provided and maintained by the insurers. Occupation. For domestic clients' use only, use this field to record client's occupation for reporting purposes. Maintained under Maintenance Menu, L, Client Code Maintenance. Client Category. Used for additional client classification. Maintained under Maintenance Menu, L, Client Code Maintenance. Criteria 1 and 2. Free format classification fields for the user's own purposes. Print statement. This defaults to yes. You can click no to prevent an account statement from ever printing. Consolidation group. This allows multiple clients' debit orders to be consolidated to a central bank account as a single debit order. For example, in a corporate situation, for a central head office to be paying for policies held individually by subsidiary companies. To consolidate debit order accounts, click the Select button. From the list of clients in the drop-down list, select the relevant client. Please note, the debit order will come off the bank account of the client listed under Consolidation Group. In this example, the account below will be debited. Multiple clients can be consolidated under one account. In each instance, the same client must be chosen as the consolidation group. Additional contacts. Keep additional contact info here, for example, husband, wife, company directors, etc. Client status. As soon as you load a new client record, the status is active. You cannot delete a client record if there are existing policies, accounts, or claim records. Where a client no longer has active policies but perhaps an old account and claim records, you can make the client record inactive. To change a client status, select Inactive from the Status drop-down list. Select a reason. This is a maintainable drop-down list. Enter a comment. Enter the status change date. Click Save to save the record.